Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make pecan butter tarts. In a large bowl, sift together 2 cups of cake and pastry flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir using the electric mixer fitted with a paddle attachment. Cut your cold butter into small pieces and add into the flour mixture. Run in slow speed for a few minutes until just small pieces of butter are visible and the flour turns a little yellowish. That means the butter has been mixed sufficiently into the powder mixture. Next, stir in a tablespoon of lemon juice into a 1/3 cup of cold water. Add into your dough and continue to mix in slow speed just until it comes together. The dough will still look a bit loose. Then, remove the dough in the bowl and transfer it to your work surface. Shape the dough into a log and divide into 2. Wrap both with food-grade plastic. Chill your dough for at least an hour, or you can leave it in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can also make a dough ahead of time and freeze them up to 2 to 3 months and throw them in the fridge whenever you need them. After chilling the dough in the fridge for an hour, cut each log of chilled pie dough into smaller pieces. Roll them one by one on a lightly floured work surface. And then use a cookie cutter to make a round disc, big enough to cover your muffin tin. Next, line each muffin cup with pastry with just about the same height as the muffin tin. I also lightly floured my muffin tin so my tarts will be easier to remove when it cooks. When finished, chill the pastry while preparing the filling. In a medium-sized saucepan, melt half cup of unsalted butter and 1 cup of brown sugar over medium heat. Stir constantly until the mixture is bubbly. Avoid the syrup from burning. Remove the pot from the heat. In a separate bowl, add 2 eggs, half cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and half teaspoon of salt. Stir until well incorporated. Add the butter mixture and mix well. Now drop a few pieces of pecans into the bottom of each tin lined with tart shells. Then pour the syrup into each shell. Preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and then lower the temperature to 350 degrees and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the edges of the tart shells are golden brown. Look at these beautiful, perfectly baked tarts. Cool the tarts for 10 minutes before removing from the tin. Carefully transfer the tarts in the cooling rack to prevent it from cracking. Here's our finished product! Pecan butter tarts. Classic Canadian sweet treat. Flaky crust with soft buttery filling filled with pecans. Great addition to your recipe collection of desserts. Happy eating!